show you. Hold on. Oh, don't know how I was watching that. You see these Jax things on my new OC thing? Those. I'll show you how to make it. So, if you want, ask Google, but I'll choose Pinterest for the better thing. So I chose Google. Don't mind that. So look, I like this one. So if you want, you can have the body, but if you want only the head, I'll show you what to do. Don't mind me having 2 photos of her. So look, take it away. I usually like to take like a lot of parts off. Then I can focus on what part I'm doing. Oh. You see? Look. You don't leave it just like that. You have to do this. Also, sorry if I'm not loud or like talking a lot. It's because I'm really focused. If I want to do this one, I'd say to like be very careful, because who wants it to be destroyed and like ruined? Anyways, if you mind, you could like speed this up if you need. Don't mind if someone talks, because that will be my siblings or my mother. So speed up if you need, because I might not speak. God, she's so annoying. She sounds like a baby. If you hear that sound, it's me like on my bed. You could see that it's almost finished, you know? So, and also I made loads of these, even, I don't even know, but, oh yeah, my watermark. I did this for my watermark. I don't want to get distracted though, I'll show you at the end. There you go, much better. Trying my best for it to be normal. Also, I now just realized this, by the way, from a tutorial. And yes, this technically is a tutorial. I mean, you don't need it if you don't want a watermark, but that's fine. it's taking too long. Get the points. I want to check if this works. Kind of works. Anyways, there you are. So now you press these 3 dots and press the bottom one. You see the one that is white? See? Now it says pictures folders. Picture folders, I think that's what it says. But look, I'm gonna take that one away now because I already have it. Oh, see? You have it now. See? Pomni, evil Pomni. Yeah. And then here's what you should do now. Go on YouTube. One second so that I can show you because I'm working on. Go on stickers, you see? This is the smiley guy. I press images. And there you go. The little, you know. Anyways. That's my